boost and make your internet supercharged at home. Perfect point for all classes, work from home setup, binge watching, gaming, and keeping your whole family connected. Our team is here to assist you with quick and hassle-free applications. And syempre, napakadali lang po mag-apply, no? All you need to do is just present one valid
Sophia.
ID, fill out the application form, and then wait for 24 to 48 business, or rather hours, and then you guys are going to be connected to Home's most powerful broadband, that is LTT Home Fiber. At syempre pa, ma-enjoy na rin po ang Only Fiber, Only Signal, Only Call, and Only Gaming.
Di ba maganda naman?
Only All. 1,399. At syempre, dito sa Panagbenga, dapat kasama yung mga best friends forever.
Gusto kong videoan ko lahat, Day.